everybody! I'm here today to tell you about something that drivers will try to give you, but you should never take it. Drivers will try to give you this, but you should never take it. I'm going to tell you what it is and how to avoid taking it because it causes many accidents a year, many accidents a month, many accidents even per week. So let's get right into it. Now, drivers will try to give you this. I'm going to get right into the point. It is the right of way when it is not legally yours. And if you take it, you're putting yourself and those around you at risk of getting into an accident. I'm going to give you a few examples. So first and foremost, the rules of the right of way, the rules of the road are in place for a specific reason. They are there so that you don't actually have to make any decisions. The decisions are made for you. You just have to follow the rules. And those rules allow everyone to likely remain safe. When you break those rules of the right of way, you jeopardize this system and you allow everyone to be in an unsafe position. Now, if you take the right of way when it's not legally yours to take, you can cause an accident, okay? And it might be your fault, even though you're just taking the right of way. The right of way was never yours to begin with. Let me give you an example. Let's say that I am driving right now, driving down the road, and I'm coming to a stop. I'm waiting to turn left across 2 lanes of traffic. So I'm on a main road, 2 lanes in either direction. I'm at a stop waiting to turn left on a side street across 2 lanes of traffic. Now, the lane closest to my lane, the person comes to a stop and high beams me so that I can go. So I have the freedom of one of the 2 lanes of the oncoming traffic. So one lane is stopped for me. And I say, oh, that person's letting me go. I'm okay to go. I go, blindly I proceed. That second lane, someone is driving in that second oncoming lane that is not coming to stop, and boom, I get into an accident. I get T-boned. I make a left turn, someone hits me on the side, just like that. And I shouldn't have made that turn because I did not legally have the right of way. That driver gave me the right of way by high beaming me, by telling me to go. I didn't have the right of way though. That's why I put myself and everyone else around me in an unsafe driving situation. Another example, this is one that happens all the time and you should avoid this at all costs, okay? You come to a stop sign, a 4-way stop, okay? And you know, it is not your right of way. The other driver, it's you and another driver. The other driver has the right of way. So I'm waiting here at a 4-way stop. The other driver has the right of way. So I'm waiting for them to go. Okay. And after they would have, on a regular basis, after they would have proceeded, I would have done my checks and proceeded. I would have looked around and proceeded. But they high beam me. So they give me the right of way. They say, hey, go right ahead, young fellow, go right ahead. And I blindly proceed because they're telling me to go ahead. I take my foot off of the brake. I push it on the gas pedal without doing my checks because they told me to go. They gave me the right of way. So I just automatically go. It's what most drivers do. And I didn't see that person crossing in front of me and boom, I cause an accident. I didn't see that car over there and boom, I cause an accident. That animal crossing the road, boom, I cause an accident. That pet, that obstruction, whatever it is. When you take the right of way, when it's not legally yours, you are putting yourself and everyone else around you in an unsafe situation. Now, if someone gives you the right of way, let's say you approach a 4-way stop and there's like a driving school on the other direction. They want you to go first because they're learning to drive. So they want to take a little bit more time. If they high beam you to go first, or if they wave their hand for you to go first, if you then do all of the proper safety checks, and then act as if you originally had the right of way. So you do all of your checks and then proceed. There's probably nothing wrong with that. But the fact of the matter is that if someone gives you the right of way, it's in our nature as drivers to just take that right of way. They tell us to go, we go. We don't do the right checks. And that's what causes the problem. When we have the right of way, we do our checks and then we proceed. We do our safety checks and then we proceed. But if someone gives us the right of way, more often than not, we forget to do all of the checks or some of the checks. So with that being said, you know, drivers will try to give this to you, but you should never take it. The right of way when it is not legally yours. Just follow the rules of the right of way that have been laid out for you and everyone will be more likely to be safe. And if someone gives you the right of way and, you know, they won't take it, they're not going until you go and you didn't originally legally have it, but now you have to proceed basically, make sure that you do all of your safety checks before you proceed. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.